Hey there, my name's Ellie. I'm a guide with Holiday River Expeditions, and today we are going to be talking about how to pack your bag for a river or bike trip. So when you arrive at our headquarters, we will hand you 2 waterproof bags. There are matching numbers on them for you to know which bag is yours. This smaller one, this is your day bag. Think of this as your carry-on luggage. You will have access to this at all times in the vans, on the boats. Put stuff in here that you need to keep handy. And then this larger bag, this is your overnight bag. You can think of this as your checked luggage. So you will have access to this at camp. This is where you put most of your clothing and your overnight stuff. So now we're going to dive into what we're going to pack into our small bag, our carry-on luggage. So I have a rain layer. You never know when you might get a rain shower on the river. I have my water bottle. I have my mug for coffee and hot drinks in the morning. I have my trusty sunglasses, sunscreen, a headlamp, a camera, and a book in case I would like to do some reading on the river. So the way you want to close these up is you are going to squeeze the air out of it, pinch the top, and roll it down, and then attach the buckles like a purse strap. And you will have this bag with you on the boats, in the vans, all your stuff handy and ready to go. So when it comes to packing your big bag, I like to start out with packing my pad like a rib cage around the inside of the big bag. If you didn't rent a pad from Holiday, you can start by putting your thermarest around the inside of the big bag like a rib cage, and then you can drop all your personal stuff in. I have a fleece jacket for a warm layer, a sarong, super handy as a towel, or some sun shade. I have a hiking backpack. I have my duffel of clothes. And in doing this, I'm making sure that I'm pressing everything down into the bottom of the bag. I have my pillow, personal items, and last but not least, my sleeping bag. I put my sleeping bag in last so that at camp I can take my big bag to my tent and unload the sleeping bag and pillow, and then everything else can still stay in my big bag. I'll stuff everything in like so. Make sure all the air gets out of the bottom. And then when it comes to rolling this bag, I'm gonna put the number against my body at my knees. I'm gonna press all the air out of it. And then I'm going to roll away from me to make sure the number stays visible, and then buckle down on either side. And there you go, there's your overnight bag. And we've got our bags packed. Remember, you won't have to put your tent or tent poles in either of these bags. We have separate bags to keep those safe. But yeah, now you know how to pack your bags for your next river or bike trip. Hope to see you soon back here at Holiday. Thanks guys.